Oh, g'day. I'm Trevor. See, you found my fishing spot. Wasn't that much of a secret after all. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Fishing with Trev. I'm Trevor. Down at the River Street boat ramp today. Something completely different, no boat. I'm going to see what I can get. Tide's going out. It's just on high tide at the moment. Hey, let's get the rods out there, see what we can get today, eh? And just dip the rod in. Got a herring. Oh, straight in the finger. Take him off one hook. We'll stick him on another. There, get him out there. And I seem to be on. I've only just put this in. Must be less than a minute. Oh, what have we got? Nice. Tide's around 4.5 meters today. Oh. Oh, giving a pull. Got a fair bit of tension on this one. Don't have to go far on the Pioneer River to get a good fishing. What have we got? Oh. Up a bit high.
Hey? You right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a mackerel. Caught him in the top of the head. There goes my first mackerel at the boat ramp here, and I'm on again. I was on a big barrow before. It slipped. Right, you play them. Cod. Nice cod. Oh, I got him. He's right. Black spot and cod. He's running.
Wow, very big.
38's legal.
38.
He's running 43. Let him go. Nah, half the hook's on him. And off he goes. And I seem to be on. What have I got? Put a live herring in. River Street boat ramp. Whoa!
Whoa.
Oh, he's...
It's a big barrel Monday.
Ah, yeah, and he took me. Hey guys, this is the Pioneer River, River Street boat ramp. It is a hidden gem for fishing. Off the pontoon here, I've actually caught some awesome fish. At the moment it is low tide. This is about a 2 metre low tide. It does reach the top of the wall. That's a 6 metre, 6.2 metre tide. And I've got salted prawns here at the moment. Put one on, chuck it out and see how we go. Even I'd eat that. Awesome. And it looks like I might be on. What have we got here? He's pulled himself around a rock. I'd say it's a cod. Let him loose, see if he can get away. Yep, he's pulled himself around a rock. Have I got him? Got him. Oh no, there's one I haven't seen before. But that would be the 58th species. I am not sure what it is. I'm not sure what it is. There he goes. Awesome. That was bloody awesome. And I seem to be on again. What have we got this time? This is a black brim. Black brim teeth. Otherwise known as a pikey brim. They're a beautiful fish. That'd be a legal fish too. We'll let him go. Awesome. As you can see, the water's a lot clearer at the moment because it is a 5.5 metre high tide. If we do get the 6.5, it comes over that wall, and I seem to be on. I've been here for a while. Dead herring, my live herring's died. The tide is on its way out. I have been here for quite a while. What have we got? Not that big by the feel of it. And it is a brim. A nice size yellowfin brim. Legal size actually. And double hooked. And that is a nice size yellowfin brim. And we'll let him go. Awesome. And I'm on. What have we got this time? A little bit of cloud was coming up. I found when the clouds come up you do get more bites. This feels a little bit bigger than the last one, or it's given more of a fight. This was on salted prawns. Oh, what's he around a rock? I'll let him loose. Yep, got him off. If they go around a rock, like I keep saying, let them loose, they do get off. And a cod, I knew it was. Little gold spot estuary cod. They swim with their mouths open so people think they're bigger. They're a beautiful fish. And off he goes. If you like what you see, please subscribe, click the bell for notifications and share if you like. You have a good day.